Is your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, 2, or 1 stuck on searching and not showing up in the DJI Mimo app? Don't worry, this usually happens because of connection or pairing issues. In this video, I'll guide you to get your Pocket connected to the Mimo app again. So let's jump right in. Solution 1. Pair app. First, download the official DJI Mimo app from the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS. Here, I'm using iPhone, so I will show you in iOS. Then turn on your camera. After that, make sure both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are turned on in your phone. Here you don't need to connect to the camera's Wi-Fi network manually yet. The DJI Mimo app will handle this. Then open up the DJI Mimo app. Then app will automatically scan for nearby DJI devices. It should quickly detect your Osmo Pocket 3. Once the Pocket 3 is detected, follow all the prompts. Solution 2. Reset wireless connection. Turn on the camera, then swipe down on the screen to bring the control center. Next, tap on the gear icon. Scroll down, tap wireless connection, then scroll down a little bit. Then tap reset connection. Now tap reset. This will reset all your wireless connection. Now try to connect the DJI Mimo app again and see whether it works or not. Solution 3. Factory reset settings. Turn on the camera. Now swipe down to bring the menu options. Next, tap on settings. Then scroll all the way down. Here you will see the factory reset option. Tap on it. Then tap on confirm. Wait to reboot. It will reset all of your camera settings. Now select language. And that's it. This is how you can solve this searching error on your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, 2, or 1. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.